Fi Glam illum immorru fl-Indja fejn il-ġimgħa li għaddiet saret ċelebrazzjoni ta' titx li għalija ġew mistiedna fost l-aktar nies famużi fid-dinja. Insegwu wkoll il-Brit Awards u s-sem ta' Dua Lipa u Kylie Minogue. Il-film ġdid fil-ġanr horror Chauncey the Bear. Dr. Seuss Enterprises jiċċelebra l-120 anniversarju tiegħu. Insegwu l-film komiku ġdid li se joħroġ din il-ġimgħa Ricky Stanicky, kif ukoll il-fashion show li ittella f'Pariġi minn Stella McCartney, bint Paul McCartney. Fit-tmiem il-ġimgħa li għaddiet, ċelebrazzjonijiet marbuta ma' tieċ kbir fl-Indja fuq fom kulħadd minħabba li kien wieħed mill-aktar ċelebrazzjonijiet sinjuri tad-dinja u li għalih attendew nies ta' fama dinjija. Iċ-ċelebrazzjonijiet saru s-sibt li għadda u bħala parti miċ-ċelebrazzjonijiet ta' żwieġ tal-iżgħar iben tal-biljonarju Indjan Mukesh Ambani, Anant Ambani u l-arusa tiegħu Radhika Merchant attendew fost l-aqwa stilel u nies famużi. Fosthom il-fundatur ta' Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, u Bill Gates. Ambani huwa s-sit ta' waħda mill-akbar raffineriji taż-żejt fl-Indja. It-tieġ mistenni li jsir f'Lulju li ġej. U bħala parti minn dan it-tieġ kbir il-kantanta Amerikana Rihanna tħallset mal-$5 miljun biex tat kunċert. Meta tkellmet mal-ġurnalisti Rihanna qalet li tħobb ħafna l-Indja u li kienet kuntenta li ngħatat dan il-kuntratt biex tkanta f'din iċ-ċelebrazzjoni. B'kollox għal dan il-kunċert kienu mistiedna 1200 ruħ. Qabel il-kunċert kien hemm jiem oħra ta' ċelebrazzjonijiet fosthom attività fejn l-arus u l-arusa temgħu il fuq minn 51,000 ruħ. Fil-Brit Awards li saru s-sibt li għadda l-kantanta Dua Lipa kantat is-single ġdida tagħha Training Season. Dua Lipa li hija Ingliża u Albaniża kellha 3 nomini għal Brit Awards. Il-kantanta Ray ukoll tat kunċert tal-aqwa kanzunetti tagħha, fosthom dik iddikjarata bħala l-aqwa kanzunetta tas-sena Escapism. Ellie Goulding u DJ Calvin Harris kantaw Miracle fil-waqt li Becky Hill kantat Disconnect mad-duo Chase and Status. Il-grupp Jungle li rebaħ il-grupp tas-sena kantaw Back on 74. Kantaw ukoll Tate McRae u l-kantant Niġerjan Rema. Il-kantanta Awstraljana Kylie Minogue li llum għandha 55 sena rebħet il-Global Icon Award u tat kunċert buħut mill-aqwa singles tagħha. Insegwu dak li qalet fil-Brit Awards il-kantanta Kylie Minogue fuq ir-red carpet f'Londra.
I mean, amazing, surreal, emotional. Yeah, it's overwhelming.
Kylie, you've given us so many brilliant Brit performances over the year. What are your favourite memories of sort of being here? Coming down on a giant CD?
That would have to be the ultimate, being ejected from the CD player. And I look back at that now and thinking, I don't know about health and safety. Like, I was just hanging on to something or other. So that would be my ultimate, but I certainly wouldn't have got there without, I'm thinking back to rocking up after just cutting all my hair off or, you know, just coming in like in a casual way as well. So Brits are always fun. And I did not imagine all those years ago that I would be having a night like tonight. So.
Is it emotional looking back over 5 decades of amazing career? And when you write a song like Padam Padam, you just know that that's it.
Well, I heard Padam as a demo and I just reacted the same way I did when I heard Can't Get You Out of My Head. I was like, that's, when can I get it? It's 36 years, I think, since my first single when I was 19, which I think I've done everything in reverse, actually. So I had that one single, Locomotion, and that was #1 for weeks, and then I had to learn what the hell I was doing. So it's been a career, but a lifetime of just chipping away and just learning the craft, and I think that would be I would think that's an achievement I'm really proud of, is even, highs and lows and everything in between. And it's not always been pleasant, let's face it. I'm thinking the different decades of music, and it was kind of 90s was kind of tricky to traverse, and we got through that. So look, there's so much for me to think of and try and compute. So all I can really do is bring that into a little bubble of emotion.
Insegu wkoll dak li qalet il-kantanta Dua Lipa.
Well, I love to add a little bit of danger to my performances. And it's all just about having fun and creating a spectacle, and I mean, what better place to do that than at home in London at the Brits. So I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so excited to go and do my warm-ups and get ready to go on stage.
Aktar minn nofs dawk innominati għal Brit Awards kienu nisa.
Can I hang out with your imaginary friend?
He's not imaginary. He's not your friend.
Film ġdid bl-isem ta' Imaginary, il-protagonist huwa Chauncey the Bear li huwa ors ħażin. Fil-film, Jessica de Wanda Wise tmur lura fid-dar fejn trabbit bħala tifla u binta ssib it-teddy bear ta' omma fis-sotterran. Iżda Chauncey the Bear mhuwiex ferħan għax kien ilu abbandonata għal bosta snin u minħabba fekk jiddeċiedi li joħodha qatta bla ħabel kontra l-familja u l-ħbieb tagħhom. Il-produttur tal-film, Jason Blum, qal li l-idea li t-teddy bear li għal ħafna nies huwa memorja sabiħa ta' tfulija jispiċċa jwerwer lil kulħadd. Il-film huwa tal-ġanr horror, bil-produttur jittama li jkollu suċċess daqs Chucky. Il-film se jibda jintwera fl-Istati Uniti din il-ġimgħa. Dr. Seuss Enterprises qed jiċċelebra l-120 anniversarju tiegħu billi jagħti ktieb xejn lil kull wilt li jitwieled fit-2 ta' Marzu. Fl-istess waqt il-kumpanija qed tonora l-ktieb ta' Theodore Geisel bl-isem ta' Ready Today for There Tomorrow bilgħan li t-tfal jiġu mħajra li jaqraw. Il-familja Amerikani li jkollhom wilt li twieled fit-2 ta' Marzu jista' jirreġistra għal ktieb l-aħlas mis-sit susspledge.com u jirċievu kopja personalizzata ta' The Cat in the Hat. Il-kap eżekuttiv ta' Dr. Seuss Enterprises, Susan Brandt, qalet li l-missjoni tal-kumpanija hi li kull tifel u tifla ikollhom aċċess għal kodba u għalhekk se jingħataw kodba bl-aħlas biex iħeġġu li tfal jaqraw sa minn età żgħira. Qalet li aktar ma tfal jaqraw, aktar se jkunu spirati biex iwettqu il-ħolm tagħhom.
Stanicki, what up, man? Are you serious? Have someone call me when you...
Ricky Stanicki huwa film komiku ġdid mid-direttur Peter Farrelly. Bil-protagonisti huma atturi maħbuba minn ħafna, Zac Efron u l-ex wrestler John Cena. L-istorja hija dwar 3 ħbieb li kienu ilhom ħbieb sa minn tfulithom u biex jaħbu l-imqarbezza tagħhom kienu vvintaw karattru finta Ricky Stanicki. Għaddew 20 sena u reġgħu użaw dan il-karattru finta biex jaħbu minn marthom u l-familji tagħhom.
I love people just to laugh for an hour and 45 minutes, and they don't get to do that a lot now. Everybody's afraid of offending, but this is, we just kind of went for it. So it's a lot of fun.
And I really appreciate how brave you are.
Thanks.
Iżda l-gidba ġabitom fil-awċu kellhom saħan sitra jsibu bniedem li rrexta il-parti ta' parsi kien Ricky Stanicki. Il-parti ta' Ricky Stanicki jagħmilha John Cena.
All we did was tell one lie.
Hundreds and hundreds of times over many, many years.
If the truth does come out, my marriage is over.
What if we hire an actor to play Stanicki?
It was really easy.
Yeah.
It was very simple to shoot because we're all kind of in the same sphere of like wanting to have fun and not take it so serious and kind of let it breathe and live and create these relationships. So we all hung out off camera because it helped, both the film and our real life. And it was just kind of it was an easy marriage of reality and work.
My baby's going to be born 6 weeks early.
I was born 6 weeks early.
I want to know where the hell you guys were tonight. We called every hospital and there was no record of a Ricky Stanicki.
I think that's what Peter's really good at, of having a perspective of the whole through line of all the pages and where we need to get to.
Keeping the jokes in service of the characters, the story, and the heart.
Tell the story first and then mix the laughter in with that.
Il-film se joħroġ din il-ġimgħa.
We gotta get rid of him.
Din il-ġimgħa f'Pariġi kienet għaddejja il-Fashion Week, illi fija jieħdu sem fost l-aqwa smijiet fil-moda, fosthom Chanel u Louis Vuitton, fosthom ukoll Stella McCartney, bint il-kantant leġġenda tal-grupp Beatles Paul McCartney, u tellat fashion show f'park f'Pariġi fejn varat il-kollezzjoni tagħha tax-xitwa minn suf irriċiklat, nylon, ħarir u polyester. Bistilista li wkoll ambjentalista riedet li l-udjenza tagħha tesperjenza in-natura u d-dawl naturali tax-xemx. It-tema kienet Mother Earth. B'vuċijiet ta' atturi famużi jinstemaw jimpersonalizzaw Mother Earth, id-dinja, fejn tistaqsi jekk il-poplu għadu xi ħobba. Wara l-fashion show, Stella ħadet ritratti mal-mistednin famużi li kellha fosthom ma' missiera Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr, il-modella Paris Jackson, bint il-kantant Michael Jackson, u l-attriċi Charlotte Rampling. Stella varat il-label tagħha 23 sena ilu fejn wedet li fl-istili tal-moda tagħha mhux se tuża pil tal-annimali.